Greetings, drinking buddies. As summer comes to a conclusion, it's going to be really important for you to have one last hurrah. And a perfect summer drink is a tiki drink. And today, I'm going to be making my original Tiki Shots, and I'm going to show you how to make the easiest Orgeat syrup that you've ever been shown how to make. And let's get to it.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, drinking buddies. So on the stove, I went ahead and heated a cup of almond milk. Now this recipe is only going to be 4 ingredients. So first, cup of almond milk. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. And to that, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of rose water. This does make a difference, believe it or not. I know we're only doing a half teaspoon for a fairly large recipe, but rose water is pretty powerful in flavor. And we want to add some floral flavors. Orgeat is usually made with orange blossom water, but I like rose water in both Orgeat and in grenadine. And we just need our last ingredient. Many recipes call for almond extract and then a spirit to help keep it shelf stable a little longer. We're gonna do both with 1 stone, and we're gonna use Amaretto. And we're going to do a half cup of Amaretto. I have never seen Orgeat made with Amaretto. So this might be a drinking buddy first. Since we put some alcohol in here, this should keep in the fridge for a few weeks. If you do it without the alcohol, it'll go bad pretty fast. Let's make some tiki shots. All right, drinking buddies, let's make those tiki shots. So we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of the next 3 ingredients, half an ounce of a couple ingredients, and then we're gonna add some rum. We're shooting for 6 ounces because we're gonna be making 3 shots. So first up, we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Dark Rum. Next up, we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice. Next up, we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of coconut water. Next up, we're gonna do half an ounce of our freshly made Orgeat. Half an ounce of Maraschino. And then we're gonna do 2 full ounces of rum. Today I'm using the Dragonberry rum by Bacardi, but you could just use regular white rum, and I think it would do just fine for this recipe. I just happen to be out of regular rum right now. But if you wanna use the Dragonberry, I'm sure it'll be delicious with this too. And we do have citrus juice in here, so we're gonna shake. All right, we have our tiki shot glasses here. I'm sure you don't need any fancy tiki shot glasses, but your drinking buddy's always gotta be a little extra. And on top of each shot glass, we're going to do 1 dash of Ango. Tiki shots. See how they turned out. Yeah. That is so refreshing, tropical awesomeness. Pineapple totally comes through. You get a little almond coming through from that Orgeat. You get a little bit of a fruit cocktail thing going on when you mix all those fruit flavors together between the maraschino, the pineapple, the coconut water. This is what you call a dangerous shot, because most people would try this and think, this doesn't taste that strong, because there's mixers in it. And generally when you're doing shots, you're not putting any mixers in there. However, I like a good shot that is flavorful and has some mixers in it that help round out those harsh notes of the alcohol. Shots aren't really my bag, but if I can make them taste delicious like this, I'm in. Yeah, that is a quality shot. Drinking buddies, I'm here to tell you, Tiki Shots are the thing you need to be doing to help finish out your summer. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button for me, it really helps me out a lot. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I do stuff like this all the time. A lot of whiskey content, a lot of pop culture originals, do some twists on classics. Try not to be boring. Try to keep YouTube interesting. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.